Welcome to the session. This is K.Ch.Suneetha, CSC Department, Gokaraj Rangaraj Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Today, let's discuss about the remaining operations on strings. In the previous video, I have discussed about few operations which are strlen, strcat, strcmp, and strcpy. We'll see a few more operations on strings using string handling functions. And the other concept which we are going to discuss here is array of strings. Now coming to strcat function, with using, this is a concept of nested strcat function. Nesting of strcat functions is even possible, but then the syntax of strcat function is strcat of s1 comma s2. Always the right hand side string will be the source string and the left hand side string will be the destination string. This program is just to concatenate s2 string s2 to string 1. So if you see the output here, s1 string is good and s2 string is day. So after we execute the statement strcat of s1 comma s2, which is we are just adding s2 which is day to s1 which is already there. God is there, good is there. So the final concatenated string is s1 will be good day and s2 will be only day. So now coming to str function. Str function returns null if the string is not valid. The str function is just to check whether the substring is there within the original string or not. It returns null if the string is not found. Otherwise, it returns the portion of the string from where a substring is available. It just finds the occurrence of substring in main string. So here we have declared two strings and we have read two strings now. If I write str of s1 comma s2, s2 is considered as the substring which is to be checked within s1. Now, if str of s1 comma s2 not equal to null, which means we have found a substring which is s2 within the original string. In the given example, enter two strings which are aeroplane and plan. Now, answer is plane. Plan is found in aeroplane. Plan is found in aeroplane. So hence, this is the output regarding str function, string palindrome. It is to check whether the given string, even we reversed also, it should be the same. So that is considered as a palindrome. We have seen or we have executed already number palindrome. Now we are seeing how to check whether the given string is palindrome or not. We'll just find out the lengths of both the strings and we'll just compare the first character with the last character and the second character with the first one character. This is one way where we can check whether the string is palindrome or not, or you can just calculate the mid value and then also you can just check whether the string is palindrome or not. Now coming to the concept of array of strings. Here array of strings is nothing but a two-dimensional character array. Now we often use list of character strings such as list of names of students in a class. Till now we have dealt only with reading one string which is of one dimensional, but now if there are situations where we need to read group of strings, then you have to go with array concept again, but it is considered as two-dimensional character array. A list of names can be treated as a table of strings, and a two-dimensional character array can be used to store the entire list. Example, a character array city, which is two-dimensional. The first subscript in the array of strings represents the total number of strings, and the second subscript, which is 15, represents size of each string. Used to store a list of 5 city names, each of length not more than 15 characters. So this is the declaration: char string array named row size column size. This is the example. And then a program to read and write a group of strings. So in order to sort the given strings, then we have to declare that as an array of strings here. So this is what, this is a simple code which is to read and display. We have read a string, even though we declare that as array of strings, but when we are going to read all the names, it should be only one dimensional array. That point should be noted. Even when printing also, it should be a one dimensional array within loop. Now this is another example, which is to sort the strings in an alphabetical order. So declaration will be two-dimensional, but when reading the strings, it is only one-dimensional, and when we display also, it will be one-dimensional. So hope you understood the concept of the remaining operations of strings and array of strings concept. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you for listening.